The new update of Zoya AI SureShot bot is finally live, and this version is on completely new level. Signals are now faster than ever. Entries hit with perfect timing and accuracy. You guys won't believe. Absolutely record breaking. This update improves both AI response time and candle analysis, allowing every signal to be pushed in real time with zero delay. In today's session, we will test how this new update performs in live market conditions. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Zoya AI SureShot bot. In today's video, we were testing the signals from this brand new updated version. Both speed and accuracy have been upgraded. Signals are coming faster and each entry is based on real-time candle momentum. Let's dive into today's live trades. As the candle is about to close, I click on Get Signal. The bot instantly gave NZT-JPY OTC sell side. I search the pair on Quotex and place a 1-minute sell trade. The AI scan, candle strength and momentum confirm the direction. And the candle closes clean red. Perfect start, perfect win. Guys, check this out. One of my VIP users write, after the update, signals are even faster and more accurate. Another shared a $320 profit within just 3 trades. New update is equal to top level speed and accuracy. The next signal come for NZT USD OTC sell side. I placed a 1-minute sell trade. The market is a bit volatile, but the bot's prediction stays strong. The candle moved up and down slightly, then closed red. MTG win but clean recovery. Even in volatility, AI maintained consistency. Now the third signal. About 15 seconds before the candle closes, the third signal came. USD COP OTC sell side. I placed the trade instantly. The bot detected trend strength and predicted the direction precisely. Candle moved straight downward. A sure shot win. AI detected the direction perfectly. Now the fourth signal. The bot generated the signal instantly based on the candle pattern. The final trade NZT JPY OTC sell side. I did not delay. Enter the trade right away. The AI caught the reversal point perfectly. In the market close, fully red. Fourth trade, another sure shot win. This accuracy level is clearly top of the world. Next level. New update is equals to new power. Session is completed and every trade closes in clean profit. This new update of Zoya AI SureShot bot has upgraded both speed and accuracy. Signals are faster now and directions stay perfectly synced with the real-time candle momentum. VIP feedbacks and live results prove that this update is a total game changer. If you want to also experience such kind of new version trade level, the Telegram and bot links are in the pinned comment. Check them out and I will see you in the next video with more live results.